Sun Squires, hello. Today is another overlay work day. I gotta get the long sandwich detection thing working. And I feel like if I don't do that on stream, I probably won't do that. Also, I think one of the... No, I could test it with the... Yeah, I could test it with just a normal string. But I probably wouldn't. I guess I could show sort of how I'm debugging it, maybe? But I don't know if that'll be of interest. It's just code all the way down. I have made a function that counts stuff, but all it really does is split it and return the length. So, there's that. And I've only tested it with the middle segments, which is all I kind of need, actually. But I haven't actually made it make the sandwich. So I gotta look at, what am I using? Border image? I have no idea if this will actually work. But we'll find out. So, I'm just going to grab this and make an element called something like long sandwich. Let's see. Let's open this. Yeah. Alright, and that will contain this. There we go. Pin this to the bottom. There, now I can show that if you Sun Squires wish. But for now, where's the... I lost it. There it is. Copy this. I'm gonna go grab the sandwich. And hopefully make something of it. Make a sandwich of it. Let's try long sandwich. Style segments. Let's say 3. Maybe that'll work. And then we'll go add the style. I have no idea where that is. Oh, it's up at the top. Let's do, since it'll also fall, I'll just stick it with the normal sandwich. Small kitty. We'll try this. Actually, I think I might actually have a prototype. Hold on. I've done this before, sort of. I did it with my, my banner. My achievement banner that I misplaced and haven't tested. I'm sure it'll be fine. Open folder. Let's go. Let's search it, actually. We'll look there. Surely I'll find it somewhere. Not that one. Not this one. Tapestry? Yeah! Okay. I'll open that. Hello, Azzy. Welcome. Welcome. Sorry I didn't see your message right away. I don't have the chat window open. I should do that, actually. Hold on. And I should start the other thing. Can't pick up the sandwiches if I don't start this. Well, I am in perfect working order today. There we go. That's launching. I should have opened the console when I looked at the other thing. Yeah, that's a lot of connection issues. Well, I'll hit refresh. Why is it returning 2? Where's the console log? I don't... Oh, I'm in the wrong thing. Yes. That's why. Okay. And then I'll pop this over here. It seems... Hold on. I can't read that. Open chat. It's too small for me. Where's YouTube? Where is YouTube? There it is. Seems I have my uses. Yes, Sun Squire, yes. Everything now seems fine. Okay. Now I can actually just full screen the code and not have to actually worry about much. Okay, so in the tapestry thing, where am I border imaging? Ah, I don't know what this is doing. But I'll grab it anyway. Then I'll paste it over here, because nothing like a little copy-paste. I'll figure it out from there. As soon as I get a sandwich. Let's see. Let's paste it here. Border image is already defined. Get rid of that. Get rid of... I don't know what that means. Let's cut this so that it's just sandwich.png. Hopefully... Oh! Well, it works. For better or for worse, it does work. Sort of. Let's see if I can show this. I'll go overlays. I'll go add... window capture? Maybe window capture? We'll see. We'll see. Yeah. No. Not this. Actually, it's probably fine. Yeah. This is probably fine. Hey, hello, Fallen I Dry. Welcome. Sandwich has become big sandwich. Actually, let me just cut this. Hold on. Copy. Let's hide that for now. I'll put it behind myself in this scene. No, that wouldn't work. I can't. I'll shrink it. You Sun Squires can see what's going on over here. So that's not what the sandwich is supposed to look like. Long sandwich? Yeah, it's kind of doubled up here. It shouldn't have. It's quite... Let's see what... How do I do this? Let's reduce this by quite a lot. I don't think I want border top or border bottom. Yeah, no, I want like border left and right. Yeah, and it has to be like a third the width of the sandwich. Hold on. I'll enable these for now. This is what Subway has taken from us. I can't get this heart out of the way. How do I get this out of the way? There. I'm taking that away. Alright. In this code... how... So the width is 200. That's a bit weird. That leaves not a lot of room for that, but I'll try it. Instead of border top, let's do left and border right and make it that. Surely this couldn't possibly go wrong. I don't know what this does. Maybe I'll do 0 and then this. We'll just see how that works. I'll hit refresh over here, and it's gone. Maybe it needs a height set. Maybe it does. Let's try. Let's try. Oh. Well, that's not correct either. I'm gonna have a look at the actual border image. Okay, where's the... Okay, so... round? What even is this? What does this even mean? I don't know what this means. Slice? Source slice width set to repeat. So if I just set repeat to... not stretch. Round? Holy cow, that's a very long sandwich. Yep. Hey, there we go! Now, if I can just get its width to be a multiple of the middle segments... Let's see. This is kind of all I need to do, right? Width is, let's say, calc var segments times, that. Hit refresh. Okay, that's not quite what it means. Maybe I should add 2. 2 plus, because it's got to count the end caps, right? So this is currently 3 segments long, yes, but it's counting the end caps. If I hit refresh, it should be about here. Yeah! All right, now if I inspect this directly and increase the segments, it should, yeah, it should be whole segments longer. There we go. Yeah. Although I need that in the center. I need to find a way to center that without trying to contain it. I need it to be centered in a container that's smaller than it. But hey, it looks good. I don't think there's a problem with it. I can infinitely extend sandwich. We are close. Oh, that goes into the negatives. That's okay. That's not supposed to, but we'll figure it out later. Oh, it has a rounding issue. Do you sense where I see that? Probably not. I'll zoom in. No, stop. Stop selecting that. No, it keeps selecting the... Do you see that? There's a bit of an error here. It shouldn't be doing that. But when I go segments 1, yeah, maybe I should take the rounding out. You can kind of see like a thin line over here. It's a 5 EP. Yay! I just have it 2 plus. It works. Let's change the segments to, instead of 66.66, we'll do 66.6. Because it has to be 1/3. Or I can just do even more math. Hopefully this doesn't break everything. I'll put more brackets just in case. And hopefully this is fine. Oh, I can just divide it by 3. I did. Whoops. Let's do this. That. Hopefully that works. It might not. I can see the seams. Yeah. That didn't quite work, question mark? This feels weird. And the segments don't work at all. Maybe the seams aren't that big a deal. Maybe they're invisible at 0 scale. Oh. They are kind of invisible at 0 scale, but it's not working anymore. The calc... The width calc is not working. Let's backspace all of this. Let's do... add another variable. 3, there we go. We'll try this. And then, instead of duplicating it here, I'll just do the variable. And then here, we'll do the variable again. And then surely nothing could possibly go wrong. Oh wait, where's the width? Oh, there it is. Let's do segments times segment width. There we go. More sandwiches? Yes! Just slightly out. It's gone. Slightly out of line. I'm actually a decorator meticulous with wallpaper. Yeah, no, I know. It's fine. I could see them too. That's why I zoomed in. More sandwiches? Yeah, I'm trying to make the long sandwich stuff work. At the moment, I gotta actually make the long sandwich work. And it doesn't seem to be wanting to. Gone, stolen. It's still there. It's about the same width. It's just not working for some reason, which is rather odd. Let's do... Oh, it's gotta be this. I have a semicolon. Hold on. Nope. That's not it either. Let's do this manually. Let's see if this works. Nope. Yep. Weird. Alright. Well, I don't see the seams at the moment. I am going to decrease the segments to... Oh, it's wrong again. Yeah, I still see the seam. I should have the image be a dimension that evenly goes into 3. So let me just do that. Time to boot up this. Alright, it's 200 wide right now, which is a little weird. Let's open sandwich. Yes. And then let's save it as We want a width that evenly goes into 3. But I would prefer it to be close to 200. There's only a tad, maybe slide the middle over to the right just a touch. It's got to be evenly divided because it's currently 150. Yeah, that's the easy answer, isn't it? But that's too small. 50, 50, 50, yeah. I'm thinking I'll just go 300. That shouldn't increase the size too much. Let's try this. 200, 300. Yeah! I think 150 is going too small. I think I'll just go 300. That gives me an even height, too, because it is 3 by 1. Yeah. Alright, we'll save this. That has the new greener adjustment layer as well. Let's do sandwich. Replace. Although, now I also have to test sandwich rain. Oh, that looks horrible. Hold on. If it works, then it works. Yeah. That was the thing. Let's do 100. Let's do segment width is actually 100 now. So I don't need that. I can just do 100 here. And then maybe this will work. No? Where's the slice? Oh. Yeah! Now we got long sandwich. All right, let's reduce the segments to... Yeah, there's no seam anymore. I'll zoom in. There's no seam anymore. I mean, there kinda is, but that's where the picture's blurring, so... You know what I could do? I'll just render it like it's pixel art. Hold on, Sunsquires. I got this somewhere. Let's see. I do have this code handy. Where is it? There it is. Let me just grab this. And this should take care of how it looks visually so that you can just see that there's no seam. Although, I'm not sure if this will actually work. Yeah, it does. Pixel sandwich. There. No seam. Big sandwich, yeah. So now I gotta figure out how to center it in a container that's smaller than it. I can get rid of this pixelation. Alright. Actually, what is making that background? Scroll bar color? What? Why do I have a background color set? Where is this set? What? It's not. This isn't set anywhere. Why is it doing that? I don't have a... Actually, I might. Hold on. No, I don't know where this background color is coming from. It says it's defined on the first line, but it's not. Oh well, I'm just gonna ignore that. Scrumptious sandwich, yes. Sandwich. Let's... If I get rid of that, it'll just come back. Alright. So, let's go over here. Banger background music? Why, thank you. I commissioned it. This should still work, by the way. Yes. Oh, that's right. This is my debug window for that. You'll occasionally see just a giant sandwich float by now. Right. All right. Let's look at this. Quantity still doesn't work, but it's fine. I can do that? All right, I guess I can just do that. I can do margin top and margin left. I didn't think I could. Oh no, the giant sandwich. So I don't need to do these like pixels. Pixel measurements. That's much better for me. I'll copy these. And then... Actually, I don't even need them there now. This makes my whole code smaller. I think. All right, so I have to temporarily disable stuff actually falling. Just so that I can see where stuff's going. Let's get rid of this temporarily. Refresh this. That background color's back, which is weird. The sandwich is bigger than the other sandwich? Yeah, because the other sandwich is set at 200 pixels wide. I don't know how to zoom out. Let's just do this. Alright. Now if I refresh, and then I sandwich... It's not showing up here. Something's gone wrong. Maybe it's shown up here somewhere. Yeah, it has. But it's not correct. It's gone. What is going on here? What? Something's weird. Oh, I put that in the wrong spot, didn't I? Eee. I put that in the wrong spot. Where does it go? Yeah, not there. Not there. It goes in here. No, I will try that again. There we go. Okay, that's what I wanted. I wanted this sandwich to appear somewhere, although the rotation does not give me confidence. Do I have to get rid of that? No, that should be centered. And it's not centered. Margin doesn't seem to make a difference. I thought I could just do that. Is it positioned? Absolutely, it is. Weird. Something's weird. Tuna sandwiches are the best in your opinion? That's allowed. You're allowed to have opinions. All sandwiches are the best. Hello, Bob. Welcome. I am working on sandwich overlay. I'm just trying to figure out how to make this position properly. Because it's not. And that's weird. And I need it to. And I don't know why this isn't working. I haven't defined margin anywhere else. That's so weird. So, to explain it, Sun Squires, you see how the sandwich isn't centered over that little plus shape? I need it to be centered over that plus shape. Otherwise, it doesn't really work. Just go to shadow band? I don't think you're ever shadow band. Not here. Or is it like a YouTube thing? I don't understand how YouTube works. I'm just here. I'm just here. There, I'll zoom in a bit so you can actually see the sandwiches a little better. Yeah, I need it to be centered on that, and it's not, which is a problem. Because if I can't center this one, then I can't center the other one. And for some reason, margin isn't working at all for this. Oh, because there's half the container height. It needs to be half the... needs to be half the other thing's height. No, it says it is. Well, that's goofy. Oh, I do need the position. Oh. Okay, hold on. I do need this, and then let's say left %. Maybe that'll work. Let's hit refresh, and then I'll spawn a sandwich. There we go. Let's check this out. It's not. It's not centered again. Let's get rid of the transform. It's still not centered. I don't think it actually makes a difference. That's so weird. Alright, well, let's stroll down in the debug window. It's not even defined. Oh, it's defined here. Yeah, changing this does nothing. Cause it's right. Okay, so I might need to transform it. We'll see. Let's try this. And then, because margin won't work. And the other thing won't work. So we'll try this. I don't usually use flex. But maybe, just maybe it'll work. Spawn another sandwich. There we go. Let's see where this sandwich is. It is absolutely still not centered. Let's get rid of the rotation. Nope. That is a problem. That is a dilemma. I'm not sure how I would do that. Because margin isn't doing anything. And I can't have it be position. Because it would be half of the container width, right? Yeah. So I have to use absolutes. But that's not... That doesn't work for me. I can't have it be absolutes. Is that sandwich even visible? Okay, good. I still don't know where this weird background color came from, though. It says it's defined, but I don't define that anywhere. Yeah. Where is this coming from? Inline 1, but inline there's nothing. And it's not defined in my actual file. Let's see. This may be a flashbang, so I'm sorry, but I'm getting rid of this. Oops. Getting rid of this. Save, refresh. It's gone. What? So what is this background color? Where is this coming from? Firefox, I don't understand. But alright. I'll just leave it. You know, I don't mind. I don't need it. I'm not going to think about it. I'm not here to mess with that. I'm here to mess with the sandwiches. But the problem... is that the sandwiches, when I spawn them, aren't centered. Whoops. Let's go ahead and grab that, move it over here. Where's the random position? Where is it? Left, there we go. Let's just drag that down a little. Shredded sandwiches will haunt me to this day. It was shredded shields. Unless you mean like that's actually a thing you've encountered. Oh man, it really bugs me that that's not centered. Bet it will be if I get rid of the rotation. No, not even. I think I have to work the centering into the rotation style, which I don't really want to do. It's the thing I've encountered, sadly. Oh no. I think shredded meat on sandwiches, like pulled pork, is kind of shredded, right? Does that count? Deli meat can be shredded. I don't know what I'm gonna look at it. I'm gonna look it up. I don't know what these are. Those look fine. These are all just showing like shredded meat. Like pulled pork. And shredded beef. Those look fine to me. Okay. That's not working. Let's see. 0 width. Let's try something else. Flexbox didn't work. I can't use transform. I'm already sorry for the short visit to praise the appetizing sandwich. It's fine, Soler, it's fine. Enjoy whatever it is that you must do. This is just a stream to try to make sure that I actually do this. Set the height of the... It's not... No, I don't want to... I can't use that. I can't... No, Flexbox didn't work. I can't negative 50%. I don't think that would work. No, it would be too easy if that worked. It would be way too easy if that worked. I guess I'll just work the transform into the animation. Yeah, why not? Why not? Let's see. Falling spin after? Is it after? Where's the animation? Ah, there it is. What does this use? The after uses spin. Okay, so translate 50%. And then another 50%. I'm sure this will be fine. I don't think it'll matter. All right, let's try this again. It looks like this, it didn't work. How did it not work? Oh, because it's not actually spinning. That's right. Okay. Let's give it falling spin. That didn't work. Ah, right. Right. Hold on. Okay, let's get rid of this. And just toss it here. Oh, okay. That's not how that's supposed to work at all. That wasn't what was supposed to happen. Let's try somehow saving this. I can't have the shadow on that. Because it does actually spin. But if I have it in the after, it works. If I just have it here, it works. But I can't use that. Because the rotation, the spin, resets it. See, this is what I need. This is what I need, but I can't do that. Unless I nest it inside another container. Because, ooh, actually, maybe I can set a transition instead of a transform. I wonder if that would work. I'm actually curious. If I set its variable to be the initial, and then I set it to be the other thing, it should rotate? Let's try this. instead of the animation, I want it to have a transition. Let's say, oh, the transform, it still needs the transform to rotate. It's not the animation, it is the fact that it's using transform to rotate. Which... I can't do. Well, this has me stumped. Probably because of the poor implementation of it. But... I'm sure I'll figure it out. At least I have the sandwich segments thing working. It still needs to be 3. Because this is 2... I'll fix that right now. I'll fix that, actually. Where's the... sandwich? Where's the long sandwich? Long sandwich. Fair segment. Yeah. Let's do 2+ again. Because I fixed it. I fixed the width and everything. Let's do this. There we go. That's the proper... Yeah. That's exactly what I needed. Yeah. But because I actually need that centered inside where it's too small. Oh, wait a minute. I didn't do the after. Hold on. I need the after. Hold on. Let's do long sandwich after. Get rid of these. Pop that there. Should I add falling item to that? I think I should. Yeah, maybe I should. Alright, let's grab this, pop it in there. Save that, refresh. It's gone, but that's fine. I can just do this. There we go. That's working as intended. That appears to be working as intended. Hold on. Maybe this might be the only one that works as intended. Oh no, it still has to it still has to spin. But it is centering. This is why I needed it to center. So the sandwich can just grow from the middle. Alright, that's what I needed. But I can't do that. Because the inside's what spins, because the outside is what has the shadow. And I want each sandwich to have a shadow. But if they're rotating and they have a shadow, it's a whole mess. The shadows go all over the place. I would have to wrap them in another container. And I don't want to do that. I guess I could have falling item be its own container, and then each item goes inside of that and has the image in the after. But that would be... I wouldn't take long to implement. I could do that. I could. I don't want to, but I could. Or I just don't do the shadow. But it looks way better with the shadow. I'll get rid of this and then I'll run a demonstration with the shadow. Then I'll let them fall. Where's that code? Where is it? There, falling at it. Refresh. Yep, long sandwich disappears to wherever it has gone. Then I'll do sandwich 1000. Actually, let's hide this for now and do a sandwich 1000. See, with the shadows, it looks great, I think. But if I want to have the rotations, it has to be without the shadows, which looks super plain. If I get rid of this, and then I refresh the shadow sandwich drop, and then I do another sandwich 1000. Whoops. It looks so plain to me. I can see it even from the small screen. I like the shadows. But I can't apply a filter to the container, because then sandwiches that overlap won't have a shadow on each other. Ugh. Do I just go without the shadows? Let's see if it's possible to rotate a thing without having a transform. Let's see. Probably not. I don't think I can. Oh, this one says it is possible, but the rotation is only visual. Oh, these pop-ups, get out of the way. Oh, using the web. This does an SVG. That's a bit weird. I don't think so. I don't think I can. Oh wait, this one says rotate. Oh, it's still a transform. Oh no, wait. We can rotate. Hold on. Can I use... I don't... There's no way. There's just a rotate property. And it's fully supported by everything except IE, of course. Alright, well that actually makes it super easy. Hold on, let's try this. I haven't seen this before. If I can just rotate it. Alright, let's grab this. Let's grab... No. Let's bring long sandwich back. And it's gone. Right. Oh wait, did I comment that whole block out? No. Okay, hit refresh. Let's grab this. Let's move this over here. Let's actually put it in the middle. All right, it's centered. Let's try the rotate property. Because if I could do that without transform, that's amazing. Let's do this bit. Let's try... Oh! Well, that's behaving weird. But it is possible. It is around the bottom right corner. Okay, but that is progress. Hold on, let's see if I can set the rotate origin. If I can do that, then my problem is totally solved. Not transform origin. I don't want to use transform. I want to use the rotate property. Let's see. It does have this, which is nice. Okay, but that's rotating around itself. No, this is still transform. I want to use the rotate property. No. Can I not find documentation on this? That's the problem. Huh. Transform property to rotate property. Yeah, I wanted to go here. Yes, this is where I wanted to go. This is... Oh, I can... Rotate none. Rotate X. No. Z? Yeah. But alright, so... Where am I rotating it? Right, I'm not. Okay, so... Right, it's over here. How do I center it, though? Maybe I get rid of the transform. Hold on. Maybe I get rid of this. And it does rotate centered. Right. So... But that's weird. I like that I can rotate it. However, I still need it centered. Oh, that's so weird. Ooh, maybe I can translate it. Translate. I can just translate it. I don't need to transform it. Maybe I can combine these. Okay, hold on. I'm going to try this. That's the rotate property, and then I do translate negative 50%. Negative 50%. That works? You can just do that? Okay, I forgot to unhide it. Here, Sunsquires. So it's centered and it's rotating. And I think if I just change this however I want... Yeah, and the shadow still stays in place. Alright, okay. That's amazing. I'm ditching the transform. I don't need it anymore. I can just get rid of that. Great. Okay, that's that problem solved. And then for the rotation, I think I can still use the other thing for the rotation, can't I? That is just a straight up rotate property. I'll copy that for now. Paste this here, just for myself later. Let's temporarily disable falling again. No, I still need it. Eee. Maybe I can just prevent the animation from canceling. I'll just get rid of the event, the event listener. The animation and event listener. Yeah. I'll just get rid of this temporarily, because what could possibly go wrong? And then I'll hit refresh, and then I'll just sandwich one. I don't even need to sandwich one, I just sandwich. Oh, that's not... What? That's not... Am I not adding the falling animation? Ah, right, I need to go to make falling item. Okay, yeah, no, I'm not adding the animation. Whoops. There we go, hit refresh. Do sandwich again. Let's see, this should fall infinitely. Yeah, that'll be... Oh. No, that's the animation's not infinite. Hold on, where is it? Animation linear. Let's grab... Infinite. Actually, I don't think I need falling drop to be infinite. Let's go ahead and just try this. Falling drop was infinite. Did I hit refresh at all? I don't think I did. Save that. Let's try this again. Should reset. There we go. Now it's spinning. Alright, this is fine. This is not fine. It is rotating, but it's not correct. Is it still using translate? Falling item. Oh, I didn't put it on the falling item. I put it on the big sandwich, I think. Falling item after. Oh. Why isn't it... Invalid property value? What do you mean? Do I need to do that? Yeah, I do. Okay, good to know. I just take the comma out. And then... Yeah, that's working exactly as intended. That's rotating around the center point, and I'm not using translate. Or transform. That's perfect, actually. That's great. How... Let's grab falling sandwich back. Or the big item. The big sandwich. Okay, long sandwich. There we go. Let's drag it over... here, and this is also centered. They're all centered. Perfect. That's great. I didn't even have to do anything for that. Well, I did, but I thought I would have to do more code. I don't even care about the transform now. Because it doesn't matter. Oh, that's great. That's perfect. Because I think this should just fall now. I think I should change all sandwiches to be long sandwiches, but only add additional segments. I think I should do that. Yeah, I think I should. That'll prevent me from having to do a bunch of other stuff. But they are big sandwiches. Alright, it's... If I care, I can just scale them down a little. I think, yeah. I can just do that, right? CSS, don't fail me now! Does it have to be a transform? It does not! Okay, no, scroll down all the way, give me the scale property. I'm not here for the transform. See also scale. Yes, this is what I want. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, I don't know why this they have a cube here that's doing weird stuff, but this should be fine. The transform property is giving me some trouble, so this is fine. Alright, all I gotta do, first off, is make sure that this works. Copy this over to here. And I have to define a segment for the sandwich. So I'll just... segments, yeah. I'll just go down here for the sandwich, which is... where? Following item. Here we go. Let's see... How would I get that? It does just say item to make, right? Make following item? Yeah. So, I'll just add a second property that's like segments. And default it to 1. And then if it's a sandwich... I'll add... Oh, I don't know how I'm going to do that, actually. Oh, it's set property. I'm dumb. Right? Yeah, it is set property. I could do CSS text, but I like set property better. Yeah. Alright. That should be pretty easy. After that, it should be good to go. Segments as segments. Yeah. And then every sandwich should be like that. Alright. Refresh. Style sheet cannot be... Why is that there? Probably fine. It says it cannot be loaded. What style sheet is it trying to load? I don't even know. I don't have other style sheets. Let's try sandwich one more time. This gives me hope. It's a bit big, but it is defaulting to 1 segment. Can I increase this? Yeah! Alright! Yeah! Maybe I should make the sandwiches stumpy to start with. And let's scale it down by 1/3. Let's go back up here. I don't think I need long sandwich as a class anymore. No, it's not doing anything at the moment. Alright. I will keep these comments, but I'll get rid of the class. Because that's superfluous. It's extra. Let's grab scale. And knock it down by about 1/3. So let's do 0.6. Hopefully we can't see the seams. Hopefully we can't see the seams. I can't see the seams. I think we're good. I am gonna get rid of the animation and get rid of the filter. Where's the filter? Here we go. Get rid of this. I don't think I can see the seams. No, I can't. So scale is working exactly as intended. And now they're the same size as the original sandwiches. So that's good. That's good. And now, I guess I start detecting the actual... the actual sandwiches in chat. So whenever somebody posts a long sandwich, I want to pick it up. I guess I gotta bring message back. Let's go down here, grab message. But I don't want to grab just every message. I want to grab some messages. Let's see, what do I count as? So that's a source YouTube message. That's good, I think. Do I have a handler for that? That's command handler, that's message handler. Is this message handler? Yes. I don't really want this to be just every message, so I think I'll look for... Let's say... Is owner just temporarily? Oh, but that is every message. Let's do if message data dot user? Do I just do user? No, data. Data dot user dot is owner. Yes. And then I'll do, let's say, I look for long sandwiches. And then message data. That's probably a little superfluous. That's first message data, that's command handler. Let's go to long sandwich handler. Let's put it here. Long sandwich handler. Then I'll just console log it right now. I'll just console log. Look for the segments in, let's say, message data, data, message. And then hit refresh. And then I should see how many middle segments I use in a sandwich, which is what I want. I want to be able to tell that. Where's the stream? There it is. So if I go ahead and pop one of these long sandwiches in, I should see the number 2 in the console. Come on, console. There we go. All right. Hey. Perfect. So, let's go. If is whole number. Count in string this. Let's go ahead and What's the command? What's the command? What's the command? Make falling sandwich? Make falling? Add falling item? Let's find the top. Amount container. Oh, ooh. How am I gonna pass? How am I gonna pass the segments? Because that is. Maybe I just do segments 1 here too. There we go. And that way I have to define it every time. Where's make falling item? Yeah, make falling item segments equals 1. Alright, well then that'll go here. That's amount segments. So I should just do sandwich 1, 1. Or sandwich 1 and then whatever. Okay. That should work. That should work. Yes. Okay. Although that defaults to 1, so I don't think I need it to default to 1 here. That should be fine. I don't think I'll get any errors. I might, but I don't think I will. Let's do add falling item, sandwich 1. Let's copy this over here. And hopefully now I can just make a sandwich fall by posting a sandwich. Hopefully that works. I'll hit refresh on this view. Actually, you should be able to see it in that window. This should be fine. This should be fine. Let's just go ahead and let it run. Yeah! Oh, the animation's stuck, but that's fine. That's fine. It'll let me see if this works too. Yeah, it works! It works! We've got long sandwiches! Yeah! Alright, so I'm gonna let these fall now. Where does it say infinite? There we go. Let's get rid of this. And add the event listener. We'll grab that back. I'll close this, and I'll hit refresh on the actual overlay, so that I can just drop one of these. I didn't see that. I gotta hit refresh. Whoops. Alright, let's drop. Oh, the only thing, it doesn't handle 0 width sandwiches. It defaults to 1. I should make it default to 0. Wait, no, that one fell. Yeah, you can do stumpy sandwiches now. Yes, and you can do really long ones. We'll try this. Let's see if this works. Yeah! Oh, that, because it's so long, it appeared. That's fine. It's fine. Oh. Embrace the scuff, I guess. Oh, man. Oh, that's wonderful. I wonder if I can make it appear higher up and fall longer if it's longer. I don't know. That's wild, though. Let's do like a 6-segment sandwich. I think it looks fine the majority of the time. Unless it's like a really long one, it just happens to have a weird rotation. Yeah, it just pops in. I think maybe I should have it adjusted based on the width of the sandwich. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe, actually, I'm going to try that now. That should be easy enough to do. But they are scaled. Maybe I could have them scale 0 and pop in? I don't know. There's something I could do with that. I do still have some time, so let's go ahead and try. I'll try. Let's see. What can I do here? I think I can set the X position or the Y position that is in the make falling item, right? Yeah, it sets the left position. I could set the top. I could set the Y position. Yeah, I even have a separate property for sandwich. All right, so for segments, let's say segments divided by 2. Let's say if segments are more than 1, if they're greater than 0, rather. Let's do dot style dot top equals, let's do segments divided by 2 multiplied by the pixels divided by 2 times, let's say, what is this? How wide is the segment? I don't even remember. It's 100 and it's scaled to 60%, I think. Yeah. Times divided by actually, let's just do that. Style top equals, oh, do I need the pixels? I think I need the pixels. Yes, let's grab this $sign that px. That should, I didn't copy the math. Where's the math? I need this. There we go. There we go. Pixels. That, oh, I need negative. There we go. That should work. That should now work. I'm gonna hit refresh on this overlay. And now when I post a really long sandwich, it shouldn't just pop in. Gotta copy this so I can just paste it. Let's try this. It does just pop in. That doesn't feel correct. Now that I have my debug open, let's do console.log style top it's times that's not what I want. 0.66. That's what I wanted. Well, that probably doesn't work because that's set over here. Let's have an else statement if it's, oh, that's still a sandwich. Let's maybe I can set the position as a variable and then set it as a property later. Maybe that's what I can do. I think that's what I'm going to do. Let top pos equal, what do I want it to spawn at? Oh, it's the animation that does it. That's right. So this wouldn't work. but I could set it. I could set the animation to be a variable start point and end point even. Let's see, where is it? Yeah, it's setting it manually. I could just set it as different things. But I'll be right back then, squads. I still can't interact with this. Never mind. Where's my drawing overlay? Because I will be right back. I have returned, Sun Squires. Alright, so the long sandwich actually works, which I'm super pleased with. And also, the stumpy sandwich actually works. Which is probably even more funny. It's so stumpy. But if I set the animations stuff... let's see. This should only be affected by... the length of the sandwich, otherwise it should be a default value. Let's do plus, let's say, var falling end. Okay, that should be fine. And it should only be affected by the length of the sandwich. Otherwise, it should be the same for everything. So, let's do... falling element item.style.set property. Let's do falling start. Native 150 pixels. That's fine, because I can just set it later. And it's 150 pixels. And then if it's a long sandwich, I set them differently. I could just initialize them as a variable and then... yeah, I might do that. Wait. That might be the smarter way to do it. Alright, let's do... that's rotation start and end. Let's do... falling start is negative 150 is positive 150 and then grab this. Oops. Oh, it just does that? Oh, I'm so thankful for that. That's so easy. Let's do falling start, and then falling end. Oops. After the sandwiches, let's go down here. And then change it so that that is falling start. And duplicate it for falling end. That should be fine. That should work. I have no reason to be afraid. It's probably going to break, though. Alright, let's refresh this overlay, too. And let's go ahead and I'm just going to drop some random items. Let's do 30 sandwiches. Oh, they don't fall. Oh no. Does calc not work in falling in these? Does it not? That seems a bit weird. I'm gonna get rid of the event listener just to see what's happening. Let's make both of these infinite. Let's do that. Hit refresh here. I'll enable the video of this so you Sun Squires can see how crazy it might be. Let's do 30 more. Yeah, that's not right. That doesn't. Only one of these is falling correctly. Oh, right. These don't have a segment, do they? Wait, what happened? What happened here? So the long sandwich is falling correctly, I think. Falling start negative 150, falling end 150. Negative 33.6. Oh, that's what's happening. Oh. Why is it duplicating that? Why is it duplicating that? That should not be happening. Where's that defined? Falling start, falling end are both. Ah, I found it. Okay. Get rid of this, get rid of that. Okay. Now it should work. Although, them all sticking to the top of the screen is really funny to me. Let's try 20. Come on, give me the sandwiches! Nothing happened. What? Okay, they're just not... Something's broken in the console? Unexpected... Yeah, something's broken in the console. What's... 566. Where? Oh, yeah, you can't have these. That's right. Yeah, okay. Now... Surely it works this time. Hello, what you coding? So, I have this overlay, right, that might not work at the moment, because I've been working on it. But, basically, if I do this, a sandwich should drop. There you go. But it's infinite at the moment, so I need to fix that. There's 2 on the overlay for some reason. Let me just fix that. I am working on an overlay, basically, which will let people drop sandwiches, but also let members customize the length of theirs by simply posting a sandwich emote, or at least a midsection of one. It'll look really goofy if they do that, though. Let's get rid of the infinite on both of these. I think I still have the event listener. Let's see, yep, that should be fine. All right, let's refresh both. Let's refresh this, and I'll refresh this. Then if I do sandwich, you should see its normal behavior. It drops 2 sandwiches. Why does it drop 2 sandwiches? Is it firing twice? No. Yes. Hold on. That shouldn't be firing twice. Why is it firing twice? But yeah, anyway. Normally, I can also make it rain sandwiches by defining a quantity. But it's a little weird. It seems to be working. All right, and this little preview window is just how it looks when I'm debugging it. But I wanted people to be able to post long or short sandwiches, so or be able to make long or short sandwiches fall, which is what I'm working on at the moment. But that fires twice for some reason. Don't know why it fires twice. I'm gonna have to go down to the, let's see, this is the message handler? This is the command handler. Here's the message handler. Okay, so why is this handling twice? If message data to owner, long sandwich handler, message data. That shouldn't be firing twice. This is celebration handler. Right, so let's see. I'll just have a couple of these in places. Then I should be able to see at least where it's being fired twice. Which will be a major improvement. I'll try this once more. That is firing both. This firing is owner and... Wait, did that drop 2 sandwiches? I don't remember. They're off screen, I forgot. I only saw one fall. If it's handling a command, it should just return. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so now it shouldn't go past the command. If it's a command, I don't want it to be trying to do anything else. All right, I'll hit refresh. I'll do this. I'll watch the screen. 2 still drop. Why? It's still firing message. It's still firing 29 or 25. It shouldn't still be firing 25. Well, that's weird. I'm just gonna get rid of this because for some reason it's still firing. Let's do another one. It should only drop 1 sandwich on the tiny preview. There we go. That's so weird. Oh, maybe because it's 2 events. It's because I'm using the command and I'm sending a message. I don't really want that. But wait, why is it... It shouldn't be triggering the long sandwich if there's no long sandwich. Alright, let's try this. If it's not a whole number... just return. And that should work now? Question mark? Maybe. Oh, I don't think I want the message data, do I? Oh no, that's count and string. Okay. I'll avoid duplicating that. Let's try this. There we go. If whole number sandwich segments, and then pass this on as that. Hopefully, I can now have both the things. Hopefully, it will just ignore whenever the message data isn't a thing. Let's try this. And then hit refresh. And then try sandwich again. It should only drop one in the preview. It still drops two. Why? Maybe I need a case switch. Maybe I'll try that. Maybe I'm dumb for using ifs. Because, oh no, it won't. It won't, because it's doing this. It's doing two. It's firing two events. But for some reason, that's when I do exclamation mark sandwich, it's counting as a valid sandwich, and that's not what I want. But I should do a case switch instead of what I'm doing now. I'll replace this with a case switch later. That's not what I'm here for, though. Alright, I've made a comment. Surely I will read that later. So why is this being counted as a valid sandwich? That's what I want to know. Where's long sandwich handler? There it is. Let's console log sandwich segments. And then let's get rid of these, because I don't need them. I know what the problem is there. It should not be affecting the actual sandwich thing. Refresh. Sandwich again. It says 0. Oh. Right, because I am handling 0 with... Right, but I do want a sandwich, so maybe I should check for at least one of the first segment. Maybe that's what I should do. Yeah. Okay. Let's do sandwich start. Count a string. Sir Greaves sub 1. And then if that's 0, then that's nothing. Sandwich start. That's not a sandwich. There we go. That should stop extra sandwiches from dropping now in the tiny little preview. There we go. It's just the one. Yeah. All right, but it should fire if I do a stumpy sandwich. Let's find my YouTube tab. Here we go. I'll drop a stumpy sandwich, and it should just drop a stumpy sandwich. It's not. Did it? I didn't see. I'll try again. I don't think it did. It's picking it up. Sugar sub 1. Did I mess it up somewhere? Oh, hold on. If it's 0... There, that should fix it. Refresh on this. Stumpy sandwich here. Drop it. Yeah! Okay, that works. Nice. Okay, I can refresh this now. Because now I can drop a Stumpy sandwich. Yeah! Okay! I think that might be the whole thing, because I can also drop a really long one. Oh, I didn't test if that makes it clip. I should. Let me just test if that makes it clip. Paste all these. And pop this open on the monitor, because I want to actually be able to see this one. All right, long sandwich test. That still pops in. That's really weird. What did it return to the console? The sandwich length. Well, that's not what I want. Right, so that's there. But where is the animation data? Where is that? That's what I want. Where's the sandwich segment? There we go, up here. All right, let's console log both of these. That's not what I wanted. Falling end? Yes. Still pops in, which feels really weird. So, I'll try this again. Really long sandwich. Oh, why is that? I don't think that's doing what it should be doing. So with the 22, with the segments, with the however many segments that was, it should not be posting. That there's no way that's 3.6. That should not be 3.6. That'd probably be 360 maybe. I don't know why it's doing that. Segments, right? Divided by... Oh! Oh no, it should still be multiplied by that. Maybe it should be a whole number. Oh no, right, it's 66. It should not be, it shouldn't be 0.66. There we go. Okay, refresh one more time. And I'll refresh the overlay just in case. Sandwich drop. Then I'll go over here again. I'll try another long sandwich. Hopefully it doesn't just pop in. Let's go. Come on. Let's see. That's what I wanted! Oh, it felt so smooth! It didn't copy the... Alright, well, let's just... That's bad. That'll make a malformed sandwich. Let's try this. Let's get another one just to see. I gotta get the overlay up, actually. Where is it? There it is. I see... I'm gonna get rid of the small box. Nope, this one. So that I can actually see. Full screen, sandwich drop. Let's go. It's not working. Did it work? I didn't see it work. Did it work? Oh, it's on the edge of the... That doesn't seem right. That didn't seem right. Why was it over there? Right, I guess I'll... Let's view this. Let's just put this back. Negative that, 33, that. So that seems to be working. Although, actually, wait a minute. Hold on, let's drop a 3-segment sandwich. Let's see where that goes. 99 of 99. That doesn't seem to be correct. Because then if I do one that's normal, it should be negative 150, right? Negative 33 to 33. That doesn't seem right. Because the sandwich that's the middle, that has one segment, should be about 100? So half that would be 50. Why is it 33? That seems a bit weird. Maybe I'll multiply it by 100. Maybe that'll be what I need. I'll actually do this. No, that seems fine. We'll try this once more. Because I did change it. This should give me a 150 sandwich, right? That's negative 50. That's not correct. Oh wait, no, I'm adding 100 pixels in the animation, am I not? Where's the animation? Yeah. No, I'm not. Although I don't want 100. I want it to be like a full half width of the sandwich. Oh, I need to add 2, don't I? Because the start and end. Oh. All right. Segments plus 2. There we go. This should be correct. It should be. I'll do one of these. It should give me 150. Come on, show me 150. No. That's not it. Maybe I'll multiply by 100. Show me no, it should be one of these at 3 segments should be about 100 pixels. Right? It'll be 200. But half of that should be 100. So so this is correct. All right, so that is correct. I just need to try a really long sandwich now. I'm gonna refresh the overlay and then hide the small window capture so I can actually see. Let's try a 7-segment sandwich. That should not fall so far off screen. Why is it doing that? It's so far, unless it's not rotating properly. It might not be rotating properly. Let's make let's make one of these infinite. Let's do I don't want falling animation to be infinite. I do want spinning animation to be infinite. So then I can actually check. And let's get rid of the event listener so that I can actually see it falling forever. Where is that? There it is. Alright, so this should fall forever. Let's just try this. Another 7-segment sandwich. Where's it going? Show me the sandwich. There it is. Oh. Yeah, that's kind of what I didn't want. That's kind of why I had the limit in the first place. Let's put it back. Where is it? There we go. Alright, now that that's... We'll try this again. Another 7-segment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That should just float somewhere. Yeah, that's probably fine. It is impressive that it almost makes a full circle. That seems fine. This says negative 300 to positive 300. Let's check the width, just to be sure. I can't actually see anything. Let's get rid of the falling spin. It's almost 500. It's almost 600. Half of which is 300. Yeah, that seems fine to me. That seems fine to me. I think the biggest thing is having it not just instantly disappear and reappear. I'm hoping setting left min to 100, it'll prevent the sandwich from actually touching the edge of the screen. Hopefully, this is fine. Hopefully it's fine. Let's add everything back. Let's let it not be infinite. No infinite spin. And add the event listener back. It should not slide down against the edge of the screen now. I think that's probably it, though. Let's try one more sandwich. I don't think it'll go against the edge of the screen. It shouldn't. It did. Don't know why. I thought I hit refresh on that. Come on, don't slide down the Okay, it didn't pop in. That's what I wanted. That is what I wanted. Let's check the console. Actually, I should still have the console from the previous one. Yeah, but it's not logging the X position, which it should. Let's see. Console.log, yeah. All right, and then $sign this, and then let's check X left pause. Am I still using X pause elsewhere? Is that why it's doing that? Probably not. Well, we'll hit refresh. We'll I'll just drop 1,000 sandwiches. And it shouldn't, none of these should touch the screen. Touch the edge of the screen. They're not. Oh, they are. They're touching that edge of this. That's so weird. I'll hit refresh and I'll do it again. Why are they touching that edge? Why? That's so weird. Oh, that's so weird. Am I not? Window width. That shouldn't be doing that. Left max equals one. Yeah. Window width? No, that shouldn't be doing that. I don't know why it's not acting like that in my overlay. I don't think. Here, I'll show. So in here, everything seems to be, it won't touch this edge, but for some reason in the actual overlay it will. Yeah, in the small overlay it's appropriately avoiding that side. But in the big one it's not. Is window width different in Chrome? I can't believe this. Hold on. It's probably different in Chrome. It probably is. One moment, Sasquatch. And then, now that Chrome's open, I go here. This is awful on my eyes, but it appears to be working. Let's try 1,000 sandwiches again. Oh, I'm searching emotes. Whoops. Get out of here. Drop here. There we go. And show me Chrome. No, it works fine in the Chrome window. What the heck? Why isn't it working in the overlay? That's so weird. That's so weird. Refresh. Why isn't it working in the overlay? That is so weird. That's not at all what it should be doing. Why is it adding double to the one side? It looks like it's doubling up on one side instead of... That's so weird. Why is it so weird? Rent between seems to be working. Oh, it's plus min. Oh, I think I need to minus it twice. Wait, why? What? But it's working in 2 other browsers. I don't know what's weird about it being an OBS overlay. Something is weird there. Something is weird. Let me check. Properties. There's nothing here that should be weird. There's nothing here at all that should be weird. The code is fine. That's so weird. Left max equals... Yeah, that seems... Everything seems in order. I don't know why it's doing that, but only in the overlay. That's fine. I think that's something I can test later. For now, Sun Squires, I think that might be the end of today's stream. Because I did get this long sandwich thing working, and that's really what I wanted. This is kind of all I wanted to do today. Well, at least on stream. It's really weird that that's just... Why is that 12? What? Why is that 1200? Oh yeah, it's fine, it's fine. But I'll figure it out later. So, thank you, Sun Squires, for joining me on this most wondrous of... What even day is it? Tuesday? Wednesday. Thank you for joining me on this most wondrous of Wednesdays. Join the Discord if you haven't already. The invite code is in the description. And I use an invite code because the URL, or the link, rather, sometimes makes people make a new account. Make sure to eat sandwiches and wash your faces. Goodbye, Sun Squires.